Alright guys, so we have a very expensive exotic car killed by a very inexpensive regular day traffic car, it looks to be. You know, his insurance company went bankrupt. Like, could you imagine, yeah, I hit a car worth more than an entire, like, business. Probably didn't go over well. They probably replied with, "Who is this?" and then kicked him off their insurance. Probably can't do that, but that's probably what they wanted to do. Let's be real. Didn't look bad, but that's a Lambo. I'm sure that front grill is probably like $3,000. I don't think he's mad. He's probably just chilling. That's Dad's car. The dude he hit's about to get a payday. Unless it was the car that's upside down's fault, but I doubt it. Imagine totaling a Porsche with a Kia.
But they've been riding crazy down this whole PCH.
That dude's a snitch. That man spoke like he was getting a reward for that. Jesus. Not a good sight seeing your Lamborghini be a campfire. Man, that would just be terrible. Like, could you imagine just watching your Lamborghini burn and then get flooded, and then smoke inhalation, or how you say that word? You guys make fun of me. That's a tough word to say. This, I wonder if this dude's like a valet parker, but this looks like it's his car. I mean, the way he's just staying around it, and then it just rolls. And then this dude, like, I wonder if that was his moped that got hit. If that was my moped that got hit, I would love it, because obviously dude's got money. Sue him. If you ever hit a car, don't do this. Not worth it.
I didn't even see that happen. Dumbass.
He didn't see that happen. It's obvious you didn't see that happening. Almost as obvious as this guy didn't see this car coming from your right side of the screen. It's like, how can people be that bad at driving? You already know this little pile-up right here is like a couple $1 million.
This is going to be a big accident. A very big accident. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars involved.
Very, very much true.
That's going to be a safety car. We had a car up in the air there, and our championship leader in the 777 steers well out of the way as the 99 low comes down the inside, and that is where everything starts to get packed up. Daniel Liu went
like, you know that was well over millions of dollars, because one of these cars is probably $1 million, and that's definitely like 1 total, 2 total, probably 3, honestly. Like, I don't know if homie got scared because of the dude that drove past him or what, but he don't need to be on the road. Granted, dude was going too fast, but that should not have made you hit the wall like this. And right here, this clip right here, I would love to know where this is actually at.
Just before 6:30 this morning, the OPP were called to a fatal crash. Highway 401 westbound, just past Holt Road. Officers got to the scene.
Definitely sounds like it's in America.
Vehicles. The driver of one of the transport trucks was pronounced deceased at the scene.
Very unfortunate. Rest in peace.
64-year-old man from Pickering. Investigators believe
I think that's Ohio.
that traffic was slowing down due to construction beyond Highway 418 in all lanes. And as
you know, these traffic workers, well, not traffic workers, but
behind
first responders, there we go, definitely have a tough job.
Ultimately,
major respect to them.
Lead transport truck that was stopped in the middle lane. 6 people taken to hospital, all with non-life-threatening injuries. The driver of that transport truck was
very sad
deceased at the scene. The OPP collision reconstruction team were on scene all morning, collecting evidence and documenting the scene. The highway has been shut down from Holt Road to all morning. We do hope to have all lanes reopened before 2 o'clock this afternoon. Obviously, a very tragic outcome here from the situation. The sky was dark at the time. Artificial lighting was in place. Visibility was decent for the morning.
It's a very
unfortunately,
bad
we don't
pileup.
have an idea this time as to what led up to this collision. We are still working
Probably
on that.
someone not
speaking to
paying
witnesses,
attention,
reviewing
honestly.
dash
Sees how
cam,
it happens.
and trying to put together the pieces to provide answers to the families. I'll update you when I have more information, but for now, Highway 401 westbound from Holt Road is closed. This is the scene as it's being cleaned up right now, and we do hope to have all lanes open later this afternoon.
It's like the roads wasn't icy or nothing. I mean, they look wet, but definitely someone not paying attention, I would have to assume. Like, how do you get hit by a train that stays in one area? Like, did you not see it? Man, so that's a very expensive mess up right here. But that's the video. Hope you guys or girls enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out.